March 23rd, 2020, Governor Holcomb issued an executive order basically telling Indiana, stay at home. His big goal was to encourage as many people in Indiana to self-isolate so that they flatten the curve to try to prevent as many people as possible from getting the coronavirus. This self-isolation, the stay-at-home order, Governor Holcomb even went as far as to tell us exactly how to sneeze into our sleeves or our elbows, not in our hands. And he even told businesses, if you're an essential business that gets to remain open, he wants you to designate basically how far apart people should be standing, 6 feet, put some tape on the ground, or have some other sort of like markings so people don't get too close. There are so many exceptions to the stay-at-home order. Literally, it's 10 pages, and 8 pages are just full of exceptions. So it's almost easier to tell you what it does cover. Basically, if you are going to go somewhere and it's going to be fun, it's closed. We're talking theaters, museums, concerts. He even mentions amusement parks. Rest in peace, Indiana Beach. Is that too soon? Also, parks are open, but playgrounds are not. So if you're going to take the kids to the state park, it might be pretty sad as you go by the swing set. The idea is to try to not get people germied up and try to prevent people from getting coronavirus. A big point in the stay-at-home order is parenting time is okay. You're allowed to transport children for parenting time orders. Also, you're allowed to take care of your loved ones, including elderly people or maybe disabled adults, and they even include pets because pets are important. You're also allowed to travel to obtain medicine and food, and again, there's so many exceptions for this. Almost any job falls into an exception. Plumber, exception. You work in laundry services or dry cleaning? There's an exception. What if you're a nanny? There's an exception. What if you're a janitor? There's an exception. Oh, if you're a lawyer? Yeah, there's an exception. There's so many exceptions, it's crazy. But the game plan is stay at home, try to self-isolate so we flatten this curve and prevent as many people as possible from getting the coronavirus.